Hello everyone, welcome to GK Time. In this video, we solve all the general knowledge question asked in ASO exam of High Court held in 6th October 2021. Let's start. The first question is, who among the following rejected the title of knighthood and refused to accept a position in the Council of Secretary of State for India? The right answer is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Then the next question. Which one of the following revolts was made famous by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in his novel Anandamatha? The right answer is Sannyasi Rebellion. Then the next question. At which Congress session was the working committee authorized to launch a program of civil disobedience movement? The right answer is Lahore session of 1929 headed by Jawaharlal Nehru. Then the next question. Which of the Ashoka's edict mention about his victory of Kalinga? The right answer is Major Rug Edict XIII. Then the next question. Who was the first Chief Justice of Odisha High Court? The right answer is Birokishore Rai. Then the next question. Statutory grants are given to states by the center on the recommendation of whom? The right answer is Finance Commission of India as per Article 275. Then the next question. Human Development Report is published by whom? The right answer is UNDP, which stands for United Nations Development Programme. Then the next question. A closed economy is an economy in which? The right answer is neither export nor import takes place. Then the next question. In the context of Indian economy, open market operation refers to DAX. The right answer is purchase and sale of government security by Reserve Bank of India. Then the next question. Priority sector lending by banks in India constitute the lending to? The option are agriculture, micro and small enterprises, weaker section, or all of these. The right answer is all of these. Then the next question. Which of the following acts laid the foundation of the central administration? The right answer is Regulating Act of 1773. Then the next question. Doctrine of basic structure limits the power of which of the following? The right answer is Parliament. Then the next question. In which of its landmark judgment, Supreme Court ruled that there could not be any blanket immunity from judicial review of law, including in the 9th schedule? The right answer is Kesavananda Bharati case. Then the next question. Consider the following pair which is correctly matched. Power of judicial review borrowed from American Constitution, directive principle of state policy borrowed from Canadian Constitution, and the idea of residuary power borrowed from British Constitution. The right answer is only I, because directive principle of state policy borrowed from Irish Constitution and residual power borrowed from Canadian Constitution. Then the next question. In which of these state a tribal welfare minister is appointed by the governor? The right answer is Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh and Odisha. Then the next question. The most important strategy for the conservation of biodiversity together with traditional human life is the establishment of DEX. The right answer is Biosphere Reserve. Then the next question. Which one of the following is associated with the issue of control and phasing out of the use of ozone depletion substances? The right answer is Montreal Protocol of 1987. Then the next question. Korpat exercise is held biannually between India and which of the following countries? The right answer is with Thailand since 2005. Then the next question. Who has won the prestigious International Booker Prize 2021 of the book At Night All Blood is Black? The right answer is David Dippo. Then the next question. What is the name of the app launched by the Ayush Ministry for the International Yoga Day 2021? The right answer is Namaste Yoga. Then the next question. Which of the following contributes to the process of denudation? The right answer is weathering. Then the next question. The arrangement of minerals in metamorphic rock in layer or lines while undergoing recrystallization due to the deformation caused by tectonic shearing is referred to as DEX. The right answer is foliation. Then the next question. Which one of the following has the highest energy? The right answer is blue light. Then the next question. The most reactive among the halogen is DEX. The right answer is fluorine. Then the next question. The hormone insulin is a DEX. The right answer is peptide. Then the next question. Odisha government has approved which scheme for improving nutrition outcomes in 125 hard to reach blocks of 22 districts in Odisha? The right answer is SOPON, which is stand for Strategic for Odisha's Pathway to Accelerate Nutrition. Then the next question. How many medals have been won by India at the Tokyo Paralympic 2021? The right answer is 19. Then the next question. Indian para-athlete Krishna Nagar has won the gold medal in which event at the 2020 Paralympic? The right answer is badminton. Then the next question. Dastalik is the name of the joint military exercise between India and DEX. The right answer is Uzbekistan. Then the next question. Which of the following are the geographical indication tags of Odisha? The options are Odisha Rasagola, Odisha Pattachitra, Kandhamal Haladi, or all of these. The right answer is all of these. Then the next question. Which article of the Constitution of India safeguards one's right to privacy? The right answer is Article 21. Then the next question. Which of the following committee of the Constituent Assembly were headed by Sardar Patel? The right answer is Provincial Constitutional Committee. Then the next question. During the freedom struggle, Aruna Assapalli was a major women organizer of underground activity in DEX. The right answer is Quit India Movement. Then the next question. Quit India Movement was launched in response to DEX. The right answer is CRIF proposal. Then the next question. The 1929 session of Indian National Congress each of significance in the history of the freedom movement because of the deaths? The right answer is attainment of Purna Swaraj was adopted as the goal of the Congress. Then the next question. High temperature and low pressure over the Indian subcontinent during the summer season draws air from the Indian Ocean, leading to the blowing of air the decks. The right answer is southwest monsoon. Then the next question. In the Indian context, the term denotified tribe refers to decks. The right answer is tribe which were earlier associated as criminal tribes as per Act of 1871. Then the next question. Which one of the following is not a biosphere reserve? The right answer is Nalamala. Then the next question. Which of the following hills are found where the Eastern Ghat and the Western Ghat meet? The right answer is Nilagiri Hill. Then the next question. What is common in the three cities of Pittsburgh, Jamshedpur and Sheffield? The right answer is they are center of iron and steel industry. For more and more this type of video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.